Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: power and a working network connection. First, open a web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, because Google is a website you reach through one. Once the browser window appears, focus on the address or search bar at the top. This is where you type. Make sure the cursor is blinking in that bar, then continue to the next step. This gets you straight to Google without installing anything extra. You type Google.com and press Enter to land directly on Google's homepage. That's the fastest route. Alternatively, type a search term like weather or news and your browser will usually present Google results at the top because browsers prefer quick lookups. If you use Chrome, the Omnibox doubles as address and search, so just type and hit Enter. Once done, explore the page. Sign in if you want personalized results, and make sure to bookmark. You can make Google your homepage or add a bookmark so future visits are one click away. This saves time. If the page fails to load, first verify Wi-Fi or Ethernet, then try another browser to isolate the problem. Once done, clear the browser cache or disable extensions that might block pages. This often solves stubborn loading issues. If none of that works, restart the laptop and router, then try again. Remember, simple network checks usually fix most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.